Hi, welcome to GoSmartLearn.com. In today's session, we are going to see how to create the doors in 3ds Max. So let's start by using the default door models which is available inside 3ds Max. If we look at the geometry section, when you click at the standard primitives, you'll see an option called doors. In doors, you have only three kinds of doors: pivot, sliding, and bifold. You can choose any kind of door according to your wish. All I have to do is know the length and width which I have left for the door opening. So let's create a pivot door. So let's say my width is of 3 feet. We can arrange it anytime later. Depth is of 4 inches and height is of 7 feet. We can always change our parameters over here. Height is of 7 feet. Width is of 3 feet. Depth is of 4 inches. So this is the door which I need, which is going to appear over here. So let me remove this door. So this door is what I'm going to keep, but this door doesn't have any minute detailing like handles, locks, latches. Nothing is appearing over here. And even if I want the door alone or the shutter alone to be kept open, and if I try to rotate them, the whole door is rotating. So in order to avoid that, what I'll do is convert it into an editable poly. Then click on the element option. I will detach the shutter in the doors alone. I'll make it as door shutter. Then I can select these, front view, go to the hierarchy. This move I have already taught you before. Just go to affect pivot point only and move this. Remember not to rotate but to move it and keep it at one particular corner, so that this point will act like a hinge. Then whenever you select this and when you try to rotate, it will react like a proper door. So after I am done with this, what I'm going to do is move it to my particular exact location. Since my door is a little slanting, I will rotate it a little bit. Then keep it at the exact location. Scale it down a bit. Go to the after you're done with the top, go to the front view. Check whether the height level are properly matched. See, have to double check it. Since I'm using shortcut commands, I'm able to do it much faster. All the shortcut commands are given in the basics of modeling. If you forget, please go through those. Now my door is set in the particular location. Now all I have to do is select it, go to the rotate option and keep it as open. This is one way of creating a door with the existing door options. Since it doesn't have a handle, we can create our own handle in this door and keep it along with this. You will see how to create our own designer door in the next video using the geometries. Please download this file and practice on your own in order to get this default door settling in your own file. I'll see you in the next session of how to create the doors from the scratch with geometries.